Hi, this is Ivan. Today, I'd like to discuss about how we can automate the mobile with backend REST API. In this example, I'm using the Weather at SG mobile application to test on the backend, public backend. So usually, when we use the mobile, uh, there usually has got some output of the text. So how do we know whether it is the correct information? One of the ways is to compare with the backend API. In this tutorial, we'll break it into four pieces. The first one is setting up of the project. Second is getting the REST API. Third is the mobile setup. Fourth is making it a structured proper framework like into a page object model. So in setting up the projects, the Appium especially, please follow the YouTube description. There's a link on how to actually go about doing it. So and also Appium is actually used for automating mobile UI. You also need to have the REST assured to get the REST API. So this is the website for the Weather SG. So in here, I'm actually interested in this 24-hour forecast, right? So it actually indicates what is the forecast for this. So this is what I'm interested in. And on the mobile, this is a Weather SG app. You can actually get it from the Play Store. Alright, so there are different category, and the point of testing is at the 24-hour forecast. So at this 24-hour forecast, I want to get all these data like the temperature, humidity, the wind direction, wind speed, the forecast, and so how do I know whether the information is correct? So one way is to compare it with the backend REST API. So in this case, we are fortunate that the backend is actually a public exposed, and this is where we can actually verify the mobile text, the strings itself, and with the backend whether it's correct or not. So in setting up the projects itself, first of all, you need to actually create a project folder. So in here, I have already created a project folder, and you need to have the dependency in here, the POM dependency. So since we are using REST Assured and Appium, these are the things that you actually need to copy into the pom.xml. So we need the Appium itself, the Appium, the Java client. So the Java client actually allows us to actually interact with Appium, and we need the REST Assure, and we need testng.